Hey guys, I'm Jean-Marie from ContentCory, and today I'm going to give you a short demo of ContentCory and show you how you can use ContentCory to manage your social media content in a much more easy and efficient way. So let's get started. We'll start by simply adding a really basic post. To add a post, you can click anywhere in the calendar or click on the plus icon in the menu. Then let's select the social media platforms we want our post to be on. So let's go for Facebook and Twitter. And then let's also select the date and time. Let's type our post. This is my first post. Now click Add Post. And there it is. Now, by default, you get this monthly overview of your content, but you can change this by clicking the list icon in the left side menu. This way, you get the best of both worlds. You can see all your content in this list and get this calendar overview at the same time. And so, if I delete this post in the list, it will also be deleted in the calendar overview. And by the way, you also have a weekly and a daily calendar overview. So now let's go back to our post and look at some of the other options. You can edit a post simply by clicking on it in the calendar. Let's go ahead and add a visual to this post. Simply click the photo video button, select your visual, and we'll also add some tags to this post. We'll go to we'll add the leads campaign tag, and we'll also add a note. So you'll see that the note is added very clearly on top of the post, and you can edit that easily by clicking on the edit button. So this is my note, and I can edit it very easily by clicking the edit button. If you want to delete this post, simply click here and the post will be deleted. If you want to duplicate a post, simply click this duplicate button. Now, let's also talk a bit more about the list box. By default, all of your future posts are shown because obviously most of the time you care about what you're going to post in the next week or month. You can change this by clicking the small calendar over here, and then you can choose another date range like last month, which will show you all of your posts in the last month, or even select a custom date range. There's also a really handy search function, which by default will search in all your content, your notes, and your tags. You can also choose to only search your tags by clicking the tags button. And then let's try leads campaign, and that will get you all the posts with the leads campaign tag. So let's now go to IDs. If you're a bit like me, you have lots of IDs for awesome social media posts, but you lose them all the time. That's why there's also a little handy ID box in the ContentCory. Just go ahead and click the light bulb icon and then add post or add post ID and just create your post. This is my ID. Go ahead. And you can see that the ID is now in your ID box and you have two IDs because I already had one. Now, if you actually want to plan this post, just set the date on this post. Let's go ahead. And then if I save this, it will disappear from my ID box and it will be in your calendar. So let's now go to adding team members to your calendar. Click the Add Team Member button in the left side menu. Then fill in the email address of your team member. And then click Send Invitation. And that's all. Your team member will now receive an invitation to this calendar. Now, to end this demo/tutorial, we'll also check out the notifications section. So click on the notifications icon on the left side menu. And there you'll see that by default, you'll be receiving an email reminder of every post 15 minutes before you want to go and publish your post. So you can change this to 5 minutes or 30 minutes before your post. Or if you don't want to receive those post reminders, you can simply turn them off. ContentCory can also mail you a daily, weekly or monthly overview of your upcoming posts. So for example, if I set this to weekly and 7:30 on Monday, which is the default, then you'll receive an email every Monday morning with all the posts you've got planned for the upcoming week. But you can change this to what suits your situation best. You could, for example, also choose to receive a daily overview of your planned post at 9:30. And again, if you don't want to receive these content overviews, you can simply turn them off altogether. So thanks for watching this video. You can now go to ContentCory.com to create your first social media calendar for free. If you have any questions, you can simply put them in the comment section of this video, or you can drop me an email at hello@ContentCory.com.